Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to insert page number. So if you want to insert page number, you can change for the view. You can click here, view tab, and then go into page layout option. The next, if you want to add the page number, you can click on header or you can click on footer. So I will click on header in the right. And then you can go to header and footer. After it, you can click the page number. And then you can click offset to apply. So if you type in it like into number 1, and it will be automatically set the page number into 1. And if you scroll down, we move into the page 2, like this. And I will create again in page 3. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Excel tutorial, how to insert page number. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.